Hey everyone, it's Catherine from Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you 5 different Minecraft Fabric mods that will help you spice up your gameplay. If you'd like a tutorial on how to install mods, we will include a link to a tutorial in the description below, along with the mod download links. The first mod on the list is called What Are They Up To? This mod doesn't add any content like mobs or items, but it adds new animations which show what players are up to or doing. This is a mod mainly created for multiplayer. For example, you can see animations of players when they type, open their inventory, open settings, or when they open chests. Also, when a player is AFK for over 5 minutes, the player will display a sleeping animation. When Dungeons Arise 7 Seas is an expansion of the When Dungeons Arise mod, which can be used alone. This mod adds a variety of complex ships and other ocean-based dungeons to your game. These ships aren't just beautifully constructed, but are also pretty large. There are some normal ships, but also large ones. You can find spawners and hostile mobs within these ships, as well as loot and chests. For the next mod, we have Hamsters Plus. This mod doesn't add a lot of content, but mainly focuses on adding new tameable hamsters and some special features. These hamsters spawn in plains, sunflower fields, and meadows. You can tame them with seeds or pumpkin seeds. After taming a hamster, you can pick it up by shifting and right-clicking it to transport it wherever you'd like, and then placing it down by shifting and right-clicking it again. There's also a new hamster wheel block you can craft using copper to place the hamster in it. Next, we have the Legendary Origins mod, which is an add-on for the Origins mod. It adds an RPG system to the game. With this mod added, you can choose different races, classes, and professions in the beginning of your game when you're creating your world or joining a new one. Each race has its own benefits, abilities, and challenges. Some races might affect your abilities in certain aspects, and some might boost your weapon skills with certain tools or weapons. And for the final mod, we have Enderman Overhaul. This mod adds over 20 new Enderman variants. Each have their own sounds, models, and animations. These Endermen can rarely drop new armor items, special ender pearls, and other fun items. Endermen are also biome specific and dimension specific. You can find different Endermen in different biomes, as well as different Endermen in the Nether, for example. What is really great about this mod are the new Enderman cloaks. When worn, it makes it so that Endermen cannot see you, therefore they cannot attack you. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see more from our channel. If you have any further questions or problems, don't hesitate to contact us. We will leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching!